Hey everybody, welcome back another new amazing video. I just landed morning like almost 11 o'clock in Iceland. Here today date is like 5 July 2026. So today I will show you the main street of Iceland and a little bit culture of Iceland, how people live here and how is the downtown here. So before we will start the video, please subscribe my channel. You will watch this video on Let's See the World with Muneeb. Also please share with your friends. So let's start with the downtown of Iceland.
Felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power.
Yeah, you're gonna see behind me, this is the main church of like capital of Iceland, and front of you go this side, there is main street for like restaurants, also the other shopping store. So I will visit now this one and I will show you what they have, and let's start.
You down, 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 gets you down, down, down.
Like weather today, it's almost like 13 temperature, but it's a little bit air, so that's why you feel a little bit cold. But others quiet, everything, people is relaxed, no noise, no traffic. So if anybody loves to nature and also like to visit many other things, please you come Iceland. Iceland is a perfect place for like if you like nature and other things.
Bring the energy one more time.
And I will show you the also there is one main street like where is like street like a rainbow colors, like that's very famous in also in internets. So we're gonna go there and we'll check.
Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control.
Many restaurant like Chinese restaurant, you're gonna see behind me, this is like Thai restaurant and other countries region restaurants here, because mostly too much tourists come here, so you will see here many restaurants for many countries.
Feel the power. Bring the animal back time. Bring the energy one more time.
In the main street, this is very famous street in Iceland. Tourists come too much here because they have a good restaurant. Also you see here it's this rainbow, people's pictures, and here you got it many restaurants or many things. But got it also many shops for clothes, because Iceland it's very cold country. So here you see, you're gonna see behind me this type of like clothes shops here, and also here is some shops like they write tax free. I'm sure you can get it discount and other things. This is also Main Street like of downtown, and there is many restaurants and other many things. So if you have to plan a visit a little bit cold country, so I think Iceland is the best place for visiting.
Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life.
That street where you go see Rambo, there is also next another street. Here you got it many other restaurants like Chinese restaurant, American restaurant, Subway, McDonald's, and many other things. So I will show you this one. Also you got it here like some of decoration piece, and if you wanna buy, and there is too much also clothes shops and many other things.
Say louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you
One station where you can get it if you want to go to the city, and the other cities here you got it every down of it's near to the sea. You can get it bus, and you take ticket and go. The other thing here, you can like pay with your credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, also Google Pay, as you like. Here is not a problem, like you have to change currency and like this.
bring the energy one more time.
Very long, like for example it's now evening time, almost 9 o'clock, but if you're gonna see, still there is sun, so it goes to be down I think like midnight, 12 o'clock, and it's not even dark totally. It's a little bit like 1 hour a little bit dark, and then again day start. So this is like month of July, so that's why in summers Iceland have very long days. Okay, here is one spot for pictures. Many people come and take pictures here also.
We both moved on to different.
Yeah, even July, 5th July, even you can see behind me in these mountains also still ice. I get here today like temperature like 13 something, but it's still here, you feel a little bit cold. So make sure when you come put it like good clothes, because here weather change immediately. You don't know, maybe 20 minutes it's very hot, and in 20 minutes it's very cold. So be sure about your clothes, and hope you like this video. And please if you wanna see the other places like this, subscribe my channel. Also tell me in comments, and share your friends, and we will see. Now I will show you a little bit downtown, because it's very huge. I can't capture with small, you need 2-3 days to capture all. It's a beautiful quiet country, like people also go quiet, no problem. Also the other many things. So if you wanna come, please visit here Iceland, and make your memories. And until that, see you soon.
Small in your head.